Namaste. Do you know that PCV can be given with other vaccines as well? Let's discuss more about it and points you must consider before administering the pneumococcal vaccine to a child.
Is the PCV being introduced under UIP safe?
Yes, like other vaccines under UIP, PCV is safe for all targeted beneficiaries, including immunocompromised individuals. It is being used in more than 146 countries worldwide and in 5 states in India under UIP. Now, nationwide expansion of PCV is planned.
Does PCV has any side effects?
Severe adverse reactions after PCV administration are extremely rare. Mild side effects such as pain at the injection site and low-grade fever may occur. In case of fever, paracetamol should be given. Can PCV be given to a premature infant born before 37 weeks gestation?
Yes, premature children can be and should be given PCV vaccination at 6 weeks of age or as soon as possible.
Can PCV be given to a sick child?
Yes, PCV can be safely administered to a child with immunodeficiency, malnutrition, or other underlying illness. Moreover, they must be given PCV because they are at a higher risk for pneumococcal disease. Also, children with mild acute illness can be given PCV.
Are there any contraindications for administering PCV?
Yes, the PCV should not be given to those who have had severe allergic reactions to a prior dose of PCV, those who are known to have had a severe reaction to another vaccine containing diphtheria toxoid, those who have severe illness, in which case vaccination should be delayed until the conditions improve. Why do children need multiple injections in one visit? Multiple injections in one visit helps to reduce the number of visits of beneficiary to session sites. Also, it helps to complete the vaccination schedule on time to protect during the vulnerable years of life. But is it safe to give multiple injections in one visit?
Yes, giving multiple injections in one visit is safe and effective.
Great work, everyone. This was an informative session. You can easily revise all the points by referring to the FAQs booklet. Please follow the COVID guidelines while vaccinating.